Artificial intelligence is one of the most exciting technologies today. People have been thinking about creating intelligent machines since ancient times. Even Greek philosophers wondered if human intelligence could be copied in mechanical devices. In the Middle Ages and later, scientists and inventors built machines to help with human tasks. For example, in the 17th century, Blaise Pascal invented the first mechanical calculator. In the 19th century, Joseph-Marie Jacquard created the loom that used punch cards to control the weaving process. But the real breakthrough happened in the 20th century when computers and algorithms laid the foundation for modern AI. Welcome to Personality Matters, the channel where we explore how people impacted the world. And today we will be talking about the key figures in the history of artificial intelligence. If you like the content, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Alan Turing is often called the father of AI. Without him, the history of artificial intelligence would be incomplete. In the 1950s, he proposed the famous Turing test, a method to determine whether a machine can think like a human. This test became a key milestone in AI development. Turing also worked on code breaking during the Second World War, and his efforts in cracking the Enigma code helped terminate the war more quickly. His ideas inspired many researchers, including John McCarthy, who later coined the term artificial intelligence. At the Dartmouth Conference in 1956, he introduced the term artificial intelligence, which became the official name of the field. McCarthy also developed the Lisp programming language, which was used for AI research for decades. He believed that machines could learn on their own and solve complex problems in the future. His ideas about self-learning systems were closely connected to the work of Marvin Minsky, who developed neural network approaches. Marvin Minsky was one of the first researchers to work on artificial neural networks. His ideas had a huge impact on machine vision and robotics. Minsky believed that human intelligence could be recreated with the help of algorithms. In 1969, he co-authored the book Perceptron with Seymour Papert, which became a landmark in neural network research. However, this book also pointed out the limitations of single-layer networks, which led to a temporary decline in interest in the field. Later, Frank Rosenblatt proved that these limitations could be overcome with multi-layer networks. Frank Rosenblatt developed the Perceptron, the first artificial neural network model capable of learning. A perceptron is a mathematical computer model that mimics how the brain processes information. In 1958, Rosenblatt introduced the Mach 1 perceptron, the first neural computer capable of recognizing simple patterns. While his ideas were initially criticized, they laid the groundwork for modern deep neural networks. Decades later, Geoffrey Hinton built on Rosenblatt's work to develop deep learning. Alexey Ivakhnenko, a Soviet scientist who pioneered deep learning long before it became widely recognized. In the 1960s and 1970s, he developed the group method of data handling, which allowed computers to automatically build multi-layer neural networks. His research introduced concepts that later became key in modern AI, including layered architectures and self-organizing networks. Some consider his work to be the first practical demonstration of deep learning. Geoffrey Hinton is a key figure in deep learning. In the 1980s, he developed the backpropagation algorithm, which allowed multi-layer neural networks to learn. This method helped create powerful systems for computer vision and speech recognition. Hinton also played a major role in the development of convolutional neural networks, which are now widely used for image processing. His work inspired many researchers, including Yann LeCun, who advanced convolutional networks. Yann LeCun, Yoshua, Bengio, and Geoffrey Hinton are the three scientists who revolutionized AI with deep learning. Their work on neural networks became the foundation of modern AI, which is now used everywhere from social media to medical diagnostic. In 2018, they received the Turing Award for their outstanding contributions. LeCun is famous for his work on convolutional neural networks, which are a class of neural networks specifically designed for processing images. These networks are inspired by the way the human brain processes visual information. They are particularly effective for tasks like image recognition, object detection, and computer vision. Today, convolutional neural networks are largely used in technologies like self-driving cars, facial recognition, and medical imaging. Bengio's main contribution was in the development of recurrent neural networks. Unlike convolutional neural networks, which process static images, recurrent neural networks are designed to handle sequential data that comes in sequences, like speech, time series, and text. Recurrent neural networks can remember previous inputs in the sequence and use this information to make decisions about future inputs. This makes them ideal for tasks like language translation, speech recognition, and predicting stock market trends. Hinton is often referred to as the godfather of deep learning for his development of backpropagation, an essential algorithm that allows neural networks to learn by adjusting their weights based on the errors in their predictions. Backpropagation is used to train deep neural networks, where multiple layers of neurons are stacked to form a deep network. Andrew Ng is another major figure in AI, known as the machine learning educator. He created a famous machine learning course on Coursera, which has helped millions of people worldwide learn the basics of AI. He was also one of the founders of Google Brain, a project that significantly contributed to the development of deep learning. Demis Hassabis is the founder of DeepMind, the company that created AlphaGo, the first AI to defeat human champions in the game of Go. DeepMind also developed AlphaFold, a system that predicts protein structures, which was a huge breakthrough in biology. He dreams of creating AI that can think almost like a human. His company uses cutting-edge machine learning techniques developed by scientists like Hinton, LeCun, and Bengio. Fei-Fei is a leading scientist in AI, especially in computer vision. She created ImageNet, a massive database of labeled image that help train deep learning models to recognize objects. Her work played a key role in the development of AI-powered image recognition, which is now used in everything from facial recognition to medical imaging. She is also an advocate for ethical AI and works on making AI more inclusive and beneficial to society. Andrej Karpathy played a crucial role in advancing Tesla's AI and self-driving technology. As senior director of AI at Tesla, he led the development of the company's autopilot and full self-driving systems, which rely heavily on deep learning and computer vision. His team developed AI models that allow Tesla vehicles to understand and interpret their surroundings, using cameras, neural networks, and deep learning algorithms. Unlike traditional self-driving systems that rely on LiDAR sensors, Tesla's approach is vision-based, meaning it processes data purely from cameras similar to how humans drive. Sam Altman is a key figure in AI as the CEO of OpenAI, the organization behind ChatGPT. ChatGPT has revolutionized natural language processing, making AI more accessible and practical in everyday life. Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA, has played a crucial role in AI development by providing the hardware needed for deep learning. NVIDIA's GPUs have become the backbone of modern AI research, enabling faster and more efficient training of neural networks. Under his leadership, NVIDIA has pushed the boundaries of AI applications in autonomous driving, healthcare, and gaming. The history of AI is the history of people who believed that machines could think. Today, artificial intelligence continues to evolve rapidly, expanding into new areas. It is widely used not only for generating text and images, but also in healthcare and robotics. Thank you for watching Personality Matters. We talk about people who made the world. Until next time, I am Arthur Camps.